Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track overdue activities in Pipedrive. This will help you see what tasks are late so you can focus on what needs attention first. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left side menu. Then, click on Activities. This is where all your tasks, calls, and follow-ups are organized. Once you are on the Activities page, look at the top right side. Here you will find the filter options. Now, click on the Overdue filter. When you select this, Pipedrive will show only the activities that are past their due date and not completed yet. This makes it very easy to see what tasks you missed and what you should do next. You will also notice that dates are in the past, so you can quickly identify late tasks. If you don't see anything there, that means you are up to date. If you see many items, then you know where to focus your time. That's it. You can now track overdue activities and stay organized. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.